Hello friends, welcome to Excellence Guide. Does it sound great if you can remember a concept in just 3 words? Yeah, just 3 words. You can surely do it by the end of this video. Everyone learns from their mistakes, but few smart ones, they learn from others' mistakes. So my smart people, let's learn from the most common mistakes people do while highlighting. Mistake number 1. Highlighting as you go. Most of us just take the highlighter and start highlighting as we read. Then everything is highlighted. Oh no! What should we do? Read, understand, highlight. First, read the whole concept, then understand it. And there you go, highlight the important words. Mistake number 2. No standard pattern for highlighting. Imagine a book with different text colors, different fonts and even different font sizes. Can you read it? Absolutely not. Then why we expect it from our brain? While highlighting we use different methods, colors and patterns. Just keep it simple. Use a pen, pencil, highlighter, whatever you like throughout while studying. This will develop a habit for your brain, making it easier like never before. Mistake number 3. Highlighting complete sentence. Imagine a white sauce pasta without the pasta itself. Not possible, right? Why? Because pasta is the main ingredient to the recipe. So we need to highlight that pasta, the important one, and the rest, the sauce, the sentence, we can manage. We can obviously frame it. So let's get back to our business, highlighting 3 important words. So I have a para for you. Let's see if you can identify those 3 important words. So you may pause the video now. I believe you must have highlighted those 3 words, but if you didn't, then you will surely learn. So our concept is stock market. What's a market? Obviously, place where people buy and sell something. So what could be a stock market? Buy and sell stocks. So we are not going to highlight any of these words. So as we read, stock market refers to public market. Public, yeah, it is open for all and not restricted. So then it's an important word. So let's highlight it. Then if I further read, it's about buying and selling. So that we already know. Then that trades on a stock exchange. So what's a stock exchange? It's a place where people buy and sell stocks. So then it's an important word. So we need to highlight stock exchange and write marketplace. Then as we read further, the second sentence tells you about stocks and not about our topic. So not interested. And then the next sentence explains the importance of stocks, which is nowhere related to understanding the concept. So you may ignore. So finally we have our 3 important words. Public, stock exchange. So for your practice, I have one more para. Let's find out how much words you highlight. You may pause now. All the important words are highlighted in front of you. Are you still struggling? Then you need to upgrade your reading skills through active learning. For this, you may watch my next video, Active Learning, Technique to Remember a Concept as you read. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe. Until then, thanks for watching.